we're going to talk about Vericut Optimizer. And what Vericut Optimizer is a product that just optimizes your NC programs for you. So whether you're coming from Mastercam, Gibbs Cam, or any of the other popular cam systems, even if you have programs existing in your shop, you can load them into Vericut. It's going to run the machine code and optimize it, and then give you the best running program for your machine. So we're going to start the simulation right now. So what we're seeing on the screen is Vericut Optimizer's cutting the part, and at the same time, it's measuring things like chip thickness, volume removal rates, forces against the tip of the tool. All of this is being calculated and predicted by the software. What optimization is doing is it's applying the proper limits to keep the cutting where it will be optimal for each tool, cutting your specific material, in this case titanium, and making sure it's properly matched throughout all of the cutting. And why that's so powerful with our cam systems is that no matter how you program this thing, cam systems only get you so far. What this software will do is make it to a micro level that you've got proper cutting throughout your entire range of cuts on the part. The main benefits from optimization are going to be, you're going to get parts off the machine quicker than you did before. They're also going to need higher quality parts because they're going to have proper surface finishes. And as an added bonus, you're going to have longer cutting life because your cutting tools are matched perfectly how they were designed to cut and being used like that consistently. So to get the job running in Vericut Optimizer, you would have used your cam system of choice, programmed the job, and post-processed the program. You're ready to go to the machine. But when we go to Vericut Optimizer, we will use one of the cam interfaces that are available to transfer that information directly to the Vericut Optimizer. Now what it needs from you is going to be a little bit of information about the cutting tools and how they're used. What are your optimization strategies? And we have a bunch of defaults, which I've used here, measuring chip thickness and cutting tool forces. That's the safest and easiest way to get started. Then, what material are you cutting? Sometimes you know that from the cam system, sometimes you don't. So in this case, I would have selected titanium material to be what's being machined. By optimizing, you're going to get programs that run in the least amount of time possible, but yet safely, making sure that you don't have machining problems in your program, such as things that cause chatter in the corners, might cause too much stress on the tool. All of that is gone, goes away. Your tool's cut properly, which gives you extended tool life as well. So those are the benefits that you're going to see.